Okay, guys, here we go. We're looking to take a short position here. Let me switch this over. We'll make this red so we more easily see it. If we take out the current green candle that we're on right here, we still have another minute or so. We just went under. Okay, I hope it comes back up in there. We'll just grab a short position here. Well, let me see. If we take out that low again, we'll get in. And hold on, I'll explain why that is. We're just doing a market sell if we push through that red dash line, and then we'll buy back down here at this little low pivot area. And the reason being is that we're putting in lower high. Okay, we're in, just did a market sale actually. 1,000 shares on margin, AMD. Today, September 14, 2020. Got to get all that on record. Okay. So we put in a high, lower high, lower high. And then as you can see the lows, low pivot, lower high, lower. So anyway, we're looking to take that out or at least hit it. And then we'll take, hopefully we'll buy back lower here, obviously. And we do have that 78 right here, that whole round even number. Maybe we'll hit it as well. So that's where we are. Okay, we got about a few seconds left, about 5 seconds left from this candle, and then we'll start the new candle and go from there. Here we go on the new one. And then if we get a close over, matter of fact, let me take this. We get a close over the high of the candle we got in on, then we'll get out, because the factors that I got in on, they no longer apply. Okay, and that's something folks may want to think about or remember. Even on that daily chart, this is a 2-minute chart. Every candle's 2 minutes of price action, but the same principles go. It doesn't matter if it's a monthly, weekly, daily chart, whatever. The candle you got in on, for whatever reason, and hopefully you have 2 or more factors, hard data reasons for getting in on that particular candle, whether it's going up like this one here to the upside, or where we are now, looking to push price to the downside. But anyway, if price takes out the candle that you got in on, here we go. Hold on. I'm just going to do a market buyback. There's only a couple of cents difference between the bid and the ask. So I'm not going to get killed too bad here. Let's see, 78.12. Let's see if we can come down 12 more cents. I'd like to hit that 78 even. Let me see if I can get this down there. Come on. Yeah, let's see if we can hit this 78 even. 14 cents away. But anyway, like if this candle reverses and takes out, the high of the candle we got in on, obviously all the factors that led to my decision to get in on this candle or negated, it just no longer counts, even if it's on a daily chart. So if all that's negated, doesn't count, doesn't matter anymore, I'm certainly going to get out because, it's not going to, high percentage of times, not going to reverse on you, and come back to where you took that position. But on this one again, we were making higher lows. Lower highs here. We have a high, lower high pivot, and then the lows, low, lower low. And really the only way to pull out of this is maybe to come down like this, to low to high, make a higher low and go. Which who knows, we might be doing that right now. But see this low pivot and that low pivot. Okay, we break up over here and get above that blue dash line, then that means price is, has a high probability of coming back up and retesting, these recent highs here. Okay, and that's the same principle. It's a 2-minute chart. I keep saying that, but I just want to reiterate the same principle, same price action, everything else, counts for, the 2-minute chart, weekly chart, daily chart, whatever. Okay, so we still have 40 seconds left on this current candle. See if we can roll back over. Okay, you got about going on 20-something seconds here. Let's see, we're coming up pretty close. So if we get a close in 20 seconds, if we get a close above that high wick here, that blue dash line, then I'm out. Okay, and I'll just take that loss, be about $100 loss there, and then shake it off, and then come up with another game plan to come back. Okay, now we start a new candle. We didn't close above it. A new candle's going to be forming here any second. Because time's run out. Now we did not close above it, but we could gap up above it. I'm still holding here. We'll see if that 20 was strong enough to hold that price action down. Okay, that's pretty weird. It's just no real price action right now. See, none of these. Okay, here we go. Okay, we hit that 20. Okay, even though the candle's red, that doesn't mean we can't, turn and push up. Okay, we're back to even. Remember we got in on that red dash line. Okay, we need this push down. Okay, if we do not take out this green candle here, this, that's going to be bullish for us, bearish for the longs, okay? The bulls versus the bears. Okay, we're coming back down into it. So hopefully that was a head fake here, and then they're going to reverse it. But we still have, just under 30 seconds left on this 2-minute candle. And if we get another nice size red bearish engulfing candle, the downside would be pretty nice. I got about 8 seconds. Okay, 2 seconds. 1. Here we go. Okay, see, I don't like it when it doesn't. I'd rather for it. Okay, here we go. The longer it stays, generally it goes all this way you want it. Now, we push to the downside. That's a very bearish. Okay, here we go. That's a very bearish sign if we do that. What was the low? Okay, here we go. We're going to hit that 78 even. Okay, we're out. Okay, we just take it right there. That's 78. We got another minute 20, so let's see if we made the right decision there. Of course, we have this low pivot over here we could run to. But after a big bearish engulfing candle, it wasn't surprising that we went to the downside. Here we go. We're retesting where we got out at. Actually, let me look at mine. Yeah, we didn't exactly get out at 70. It was 78.01. I'll just put it like that. Okay. All right. 40 seconds. We'll sit here and see how this plays out. Yeah, I could hit that. What was the exact low? We didn't hit the exact low. 78.01. Okay. And so it hit that pretty close to that whole round even number, which they love to go to, whether on the way up or way down. So it looks like we might have made the right decision. Now, if this can push, you can go, that's what I was going to say. If you can go long here now, because we put in our 1, 2, a higher low here, if that makes sense. And then, that was some fast action. But okay, we're already going on 10 minutes on this video. I like to keep them short. But anyway, thanks for playing along. Thanks for being members, and we will see you on the charts.